Hello guys, it's me Lisa, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your microphone problem in Zoom. So let's get started with this in a PC or a laptop. So first I need to go to this page, zoom.us/download, and this will take you to this page. So click on the download link that comes up in the first. Click on download, and this will download your application, as you can see on the top right. After this, open your Zoom workspace. And click on new meeting or join if you have a link to a meeting. I'm clicking on new meeting as I do not have a link. This will open your meeting up for you. But as you can see that my microphone has an issue and it's telling me to open Windows settings. So what I'll do is try to connect it one more time from the application, but yeah, I cannot do it. So go to your settings application now. Open your settings, and on the left side search button, type in microphone privacy and turn on all the microphone access and the app access like this. You can see Zoom is also there. And then close your Zoom meeting to restart it. Then click on new meeting again to open a new meeting. And as you can see, your microphone works fine in this new Zoom. I'm connected, and there is microphone settings as well. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's me, Lee, signing out. Thank you.